guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to be talking about how you can actually use a simple method to make $100 in affiliate marketing every single month consistently. Guys, welcome to my video. As I mentioned, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And obviously, I'm not going to guarantee you any kind of income in this video, but I'm going to show you a method that can be a potential income generator for yourself. So guys, I have been online for the last 10 years, more or less. I've had my successes, but I had my failures. But I brought things down to the basics, and I want to share with you my entire affiliate marketing phase one approach to this $100 per month method. Now, I'm starting off with these simple figures because I don't want to exaggerate it. I want to share with you. This is raw truth, no fluff kind of marketing that I have on my channel. So I'm really going to give you guys the authentic self, my authentic self more than anything else. But I'm also going to share with you the strategies that are needed for the phase one of affiliate marketing, which is basically selling other people's products. Okay. And learning the skill sets that are needed. And in my whole journey that I've come across, the main skill set to focus on is traffic generation, but also you need to have a sales process in place. If you don't have a sales process in place, it doesn't make sense. So let me go ahead, share my screen, show with you the results and why am I actually talking about this before I go ahead and give you the actual strategy. So let me go ahead and go on my computer. Hi guys, welcome back. So I said as I wanted to go through the whole process for you, this is the entire formula that I'm pretty much using. I wanted to do it on a whiteboard so that you actually see and understand, and I'm going to change some things as I go along and share with you my entire strategy. But this is a simple process. I know there are many people that will go ahead and share with you about affiliate marketing, what's the fastest way, what's not, traffic generation methods, blah, blah, blah. But what I'm trying to share with you specifically in this video is not just a $100 method per month, okay? This is per month, not just a $100 method, but a way for you to actually understand and simplify the entire process. Affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is definitely something that is long-term. But if you don't have the right hub or ecosystem that you're preparing and do it chunk by chunk. You don't have to do it all together, but you start off with one thing and then go to the next and then go to the next and then go to the next. You're building an ecosystem for yourself where a lot of the times you don't know where the sales are coming in from. We're tracking things, so we do know where the sales are coming in from, but that might happen in the future. So this is something that I personally see for myself as a side hustle for now in phase one, specifically keeping it simple. And then phase two, implementing the skill sets that I use to go into product creation. So there are two sides of affiliate marketing. One is selling other people's products where you're just focusing on one skill set, which is basically traffic generation methods and lead conversion, copywriting. These are the skill sets that you focus on with phase one, in my opinion. System building could be also in phase one, where you're sharing a system that you're creating with somebody else to focus on the traffic. But those are the initial phase one skill sets. And then there's the phase two skill sets, which is product creation, course creation, and then building an ecosystem for yourself on the back end, which are higher ticket, which are more sustainable. But we're going to be talking about phase one here. Okay. Phase one, I'm simplifying it by just doing these two things. Okay. One is generating traffic to a landing page, which then basically makes the sales process for you, collects an email, sends a thank you page, and then an offer where you get ka-ching, ka-ching, your money comes in, okay? And I want to show you how I personally set this whole system up through a software called system.io. So let me just go ahead and go to system.io so that you see. By the way, guys, everything that you see right here is available in the description of this video. So if you're interested in getting system.io and you're only interested in one chunk, which is a tool, you can get this system.io tool in the description. If you're interested in the traffic source, you can get the traffic source. If you're interested in the product, you basically will have the second link, which will go to my entire funnel. You can see the product there in the description as well. Okay, so this is personally how I do it, using system.io. And system.io, I can build a landing page, I can build a thank you page, I can build an offer for phase two. So it's my hub in itself for affiliate marketing and just in general phase one and phase two of affiliate marketing. I know that system.io is long-term for me, so therefore I'm focused on that. As I said, in phase one, how do you actually generate this traffic? Before I go ahead and share with you the steps, I want to show with you my results for March 2023. Now, I'm not sure when I'm going to be posting this video, but it's the end of March at the time I'm shooting this video. And I do want to show you my entire March results. So I started this whole simple, basic, newbie friendly method in March itself. Actually, towards the 7th of March, I did test out something before. So I got one sale in the beginning of March, but then basically, as you can see, towards the end of March, things started to take shape because I started on the 6th or 7th of March, this whole process, and it needed about a couple of weeks before things started to build momentum. It's not always going to happen overnight. So I'm pretty sure that April, May, June is going to be good updates for you guys. So I wanted to share with you a little bit about that. And why am I showing you Warrior Plus? Because I use Warrior Plus as a network. Okay. So let me go back to the whiteboard, and here the offers that you find right here, I personally, you can get from, let me just do this. You can get from ClickBank if you want. You can get from Warrior Plus. You can get from JVZoo and others. Okay. I'm just going to put others. Okay, you can really get from a lot of places if you want. Okay, that's where I personally look at the offer and sale. Now, my offer personally, I got from Warrior Plus. So everything, all my sales, all the entire network in the marketing place, I get paid from Warrior Plus itself. And just to show you, let me go ahead actually and go to my wallet so that you can see. I personally have made commissions here, but even if I just go to, sorry, let's go to wallet. Can go to my wallet there, and I go to summary. You can see that overall I made $500 already, and 496 has already been in payout. So I'm just spending the rest of the amount that's coming in, which is $78.47. The moment that's available, what I personally do is I request a withdrawal, and it goes directly to my Stripe account, and then from there I take it out to my bank account, and I can do whatever I want for that. Okay, so just to show you that I use it as a hub. That's personally. And by the way, just to show you, on the withdrawal side, if you don't want Stripe, I think there are other methods for withdrawals, but I'm using Stripe at the moment. Okay. That's pretty much it. What I wanted to share with you so that this proof is there. Let me go back actually and click on sale so you can see. And this month of March, guys, I made $98.69. Now, this, as I said, is just about $100. It's something that I've done pretty much while having a day job as well. It's not something, this whole process takes me around 10 to 15 minutes to do every single day. As long as you're consistent with it every single day, eventually you will get results, but you need to be consistent and you need to be open to learning the skill sets of affiliate marketing, which is what, as I mentioned, traffic generation and email marketing. These are the two things that I'm focusing on in this last month. Traffic generation, let me repeat that. Traffic generation and email marketing. This is all I do. So as I said, you have traffic that goes to landing page, and then a thank you page, and then sale. So how do I do that? The traffic that I send is through multiple methods. Obviously, you can have free traffic methods. So you can use TikTok, you can use Facebook, you can use YouTube like this to send people to a funnel. They basically go to this page that I've created right here. Once they click get started, they enter their email address and they watch a free video. When they go to the free video, let me show you what it looks like so that you can at least see. Okay. It goes, this is literally the steps. Okay. It goes to the free video. I give you a 20-minute training, and then you can get the offer here. You can see that there's proof and there's progress and everything right here. And you can click and get the offer if you want. That's really up to you, but I reveal everything within the training itself. Now, one of the methods, I use the methods which are in this training. So in this offer that I'm sharing, which is called Affiliate Marketing on Crack, by the way. In this offer, there is already traffic generation methods that are there. So I'm pointing people to the offer to learn about those traffic generation methods, because that is one of the places, okay, that I personally am learning from and also implementing. Now, besides that, and you can always get that, okay, you can always get that. Besides that, what I do is I go to my lead gen secret. So I'm going to share, make a change right here. I'm going to share affiliate marketing on Crack. So AMC as one of the traffic generation methods, traffic generation methods. And MLGS. So these are the only two that I'm using personally, is MLGS and traffic AMC, okay, which is the product itself. So I have the product right here, which is teaching traffic generation methods, but it's also teaching affiliate marketing as a whole, but it's teaching traffic generation methods as well. and MLGS. So MLGS is basically what? It gives you 100 leads every single day. You pay $30 per month for it. You get 100 leads every single day. You send those, I send an email out to those leads. Okay. And and I'm going to show you how it looks like. I send out an email every single day to those leads. As I get clicks on those leads go through the whole sales process: landing page, thank you page, offer. So I have this method that I'm sending the landing page, thank you page, and then offer. So how does it go? MLGS goes to the squeeze page, which then goes to the thank you page, and then I get a make a sale. MLGS, squeeze page, sale. Simple. Okay, I'm keeping it really simple, and I know that this might be really complicated for people, but at the end of the day, if you know that every single day you can send 100 leads, you can send an email out to 100 people and get clicks. So the whole point of me using this traffic generation method, which is My Lead Gen Secrets, and for My Lead Gen Secrets, guys, there's a link in the description if you want to get it. If you don't, that's absolutely fine. You can use whatever traffic generation methods that you know to send to the landing page. If you want to see the entire funnel that I have set up, then the link to this will be in the description as well. Enter your email address and you get the entire funnel. You can see it. And if you want to copy this entire system as well, all you need to do is reach out to me, a comment below that you want to copy it. You need system.io. If you don't have system.io, I will not be able to share this entire funnel with you. But if you do have it, then you can get it completely for free. But yes, this is the whole process. So as you can see, my whole aim here is to get at least 100 clicks per day. This is my aim at the moment. And then it will go to more than that, but at least 100 clicks every day is my aim. The reason for that is at least 100 clicks are coming to I'm sending 100 people to this landing page every single day. As I send 100 people to this landing page every day, at the moment, I'm sending about 50 to 60 people every single day. Okay, but I will be sending 100 people every single day to this landing page, which I collect an email address, and then it goes to the whole sales process. That's literally all I do, guys. So take the offer, I send an email out, I get a sale, and you can see that it has generated me $100 every single month with it. So just 3 things are here. The first thing is the tool itself. If you want to copy this entire funnel, I'm fine with giving it to you guys. All you need to do is get the product. Once you get the product, then you can just reach out to me and I will give you the entire funnel for free, because that way you can utilize my training itself. You can utilize my whole thank you page, which is, has even proof on it. So you don't have to, as a new person, that's already an advantage. Okay. And then My Lead Gen Secrets is the other tool that I'm using. So I really go send out an email every day, and that's it. I finish this entire process of sending traffic in 10 minutes every single day with having a job and getting paid through WirexApp. So is it possible to make $100 every single month in affiliate marketing? Yes, but simplify the process. That's all I would say. I hope this video has been educational, at least to understand the initial phase 1. And if you want to follow along my journey, feel free to subscribe and hit that bell notification, because I'm going to be sharing more about these videos in the future. But even if I don't, know that if you jump onto my email list, I'm going to be sending you videos any which ways, because that's what I personally do. I'm creating this ecosystem step by step and simplifying it, because when I had those complicated tools and I tried to create an ecosystem in it, just overwhelmed me. So take it step by step if you're just getting started. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, I hope it was educational, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next one.